So you guys must have seen this news going around a lot. So let me tell you the details of this story. The baby's name is Preston Davy. He was born to a convicted criminal, so he was put in foster care. At 9 months old, he was adopted by two men, James Varley and John McGowan. So James Varley was a 37-year-old teacher, and John McGowan was a sales manager. He was 42 years old. At 9 months, when they adopted the baby, after 4 months, the baby died. So, when he was brought to the hospital before his death, he was suffering from cardiac arrest. The couple told them that the baby had drowned, but when the doctors examined, they found sperm in his airway and 40 unrecovered external and internal injuries. So, nearly 3 years after the murder of this baby, in April 2026, the trial began, and the final sentence was passed in June 2026. James Varley was the main reason for his murder, who physically, sexually, and abused the child. I don't know what he did. I like the details were so horrific that the jury was forced to disband, and there were so many evidences. There were videos of this child being tortured, laying down, and James Varley did all of this, so he was subjected to a life imprisonment with zero chance of parole. During this span of 4 months, when he was adopted to when he died, the local agencies visited the house 10 times, but still they were unable to identify anything. And what happened was truly, truly horrific. I mean, I don't know if it's a failure of the system because of which the baby was given up for adoption to this couple, or the failure of what they are now trying to introduce new agencies to make sure that this does not happen again.